How to make Skibidi toilet in Infinite Craft. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So this is going to be a really long tutorial because it is quite hard, and I hope you just follow these steps properly, and this way you would be able to make it. Now first of all, we need to bring water on our board, and after that we need to bring fire. On top of it we get steam. Now we need to add steam on top of steam, and we get cloud. Now we need to add water on this cloud, and we get rain. Now add water on this rain, we get rainbow. After that we need to bring earth on our board, then add water to it, and we get plant. Now add wind to it, and we get dandelion. Now add water to it, and we get wine. After that add more water to it, and we get holy water. After that we need to add wine to it, so simply search for it, and after that add it, and we get Catholic Church. And after that we need to add this Catholic Church to rainbow, and we get a gay. After that we need to add water on board, then add more water, and we get lake. After that add fire on board, then add another fire, and we get volcano. After that we need to add lake, so for that just simply search, and after that add lake to volcano, and we get island. After that we need to add island on island, so we will just simply search for it and add it. Now we get continent. After that we need to add this continent on lake, and we get America. After that we need to bring fire on board, add more fire, and we get volcano. After that we need to add island on volcano, and we get Hawaii. After that add Hawaii to America, and we get Obama. After that we need to add America on Obama, and we get change. Now change the gay, and we get straight. Now add more gay to it. Let me search for K and add it. We get bi. We need to search for bi and add it on top of bi. We get BII, double bi, and we need to bring lake on board, then bring another lake. We get ocean, and now we need to add ocean to it, so we will search for it. After that add ocean, and we get sea. Now after that we need to bring US, America bring America on board, then add continent to it. For that simply search for it and add continent to America. This way we will get North America. Now we need to add continent to North America, and we get Canada. Add Canada to C, and we get PC. After that we need to search for change and add it on PC, and we get BD. Now we need to bring buy on BD, and we get bid. After that add this bid to buy, and we get BDB. And now after that bring it aside, and after putting it aside you need to bring earth, then bring earth on top of earth. We get mountain. After that bring wind to mountain, and we get avalanche. After that we need to search for avalanche and add it on top of avalanche. This way we will get snow. Now we need to bring fire on board and bring steam on top of it. We get engine. Now we need to add cloud on this engine, so search for it and add it. We get jet. Now after that we need to add water on jet. We get plane. Now add snow to this plane, so simply search for snow and add it on plane. We get ski, and after that we need to add this ski to BDB, and we get Skibidi. Now after that we need to get back and search for plant, or you can just simply drag and drop plant on your board. After that add water to it. This will become swamp, and after that we need to add plant to it, and this will become Venus flytrap. Now we need to bring dandelion, search for it and bring it on board, and after that add plant to it. So we will add plant on dandelion and it becomes weed. After that we need to bring earth on board and add wind to it and it becomes dust. Now add this dust on weed and it becomes clean. After that add this clean to Venus flytrap and it becomes toilet. Now bring it aside and on snow. After that add plant on your board, then bring plant on top of plant and it becomes a tree. Give some water to your tree and it becomes river. After that you need to add earth to river and it becomes delta. Now bring tree on the board, so search for tree or add it from here, and after that add river to it. Let me search for river and add river to it. It will become paper. Now search for paper and add on paper. This way we get a book. Now add this book on delta and we get alphabet. Now we need to search for alphabet and add it on alphabet. We get word. Now we need to search for mountain and add it on word. So this way we get mouth. Now we need to add a word to mouth and we get talk. After that you need to bring earth on board and bring fire on top of earth. After that it becomes lava. Now we need to add water to our lava and it becomes stone. Now search for lava and it becomes obsidian. After that search for stone and bring it on obsidian and it becomes blade. After that bring stone on blade and it becomes X. Now bring stone on X and it becomes head. Bring this head to with talk and it becomes chatterbox. After that search for head and bring it on top of chatterbox and it becomes talking head. After that get this talking head on toilet and it becomes talking toilet. Now bring this talking toilet to Skibidi and it becomes Skibidi toilet. And this is how you make a Skibidi toilet on Infinite Craft. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.